funny is that they're about as slow as the day is long.
Well, their feet are like 2 inches long. Their legs are 2 inches long.
Just like, hey, come on, babies.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, she's like, no, I got a cat to play with.
Ooh, what'd you land on? Huh?
I know, buddy. I know.
It also doesn't help that you're a porker.
You love slash puppies. Hi. Oh, dear. Oh, here it comes. Get off the floor. You have the power to end this, dear.
Big idiot.
Look, she's like, I'll chew on him.
Right?
I. None of that. No biting.
Just pick him up and put him on the tree.
What are you doing over there? You little happy tail? Hey. Wait, walk that way. Yeah, do. And now come back. There they are. And checking to make sure the cat's still here.
Hi, boss.
He's still here. Don't worry. I
wasn't even doing anything that time.
Now you're just being cranky. Nope.
Seriously. I can't pick him up.